Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, members of the press. Thank you so much for coming here. This is a big occasion. Almost after a year, we're doing an event for the trailer launch of one of the most epic sagas to hit the silver screen in a long, long time, Mumbai Saga. I'd like to thank all of you for turning up. Just a request, let's maintain protocol, let's maintain social distancing, sit on alternate seats and sanitize yourself as much as you can. दोस्तों करीब करीब एक साल जद्दोजहद करने के बाद अब मुंबई सागा फाइनली 19 मार्च 2021 को थिएटर्स में आने वाली है. हाँ, एक बार जोरदार तालियां पूरी टीम के लिए. हमारे देश में आज बहुत सारे माध्यम हैं सिनेमा देखने के लिए, लेकिन द मैजिक ऑफ अ थिएटर, the magic of the experience of watching a cinema can never be replaced. So I'm very happy to be bringing Mumbai Saga to you shortly. लेकिन उससे पहले थोड़ा धमाल करना पड़ेगा. संजय गुप्ता की फिल्मों में एक्शन होता है, लेकिन गाने बड़े अच्छे होते हैं. तो इससे पहले कि हम आपको ट्रेलर दिखाएं, let's take a look at a man who's full of swag, the yo-yo with शोर मचेगा. Let's take a look. Woo! The moment we've been waiting for. I'd like to invite the star cast on stage, starting with the man who wants to rule Mumbai, and he ruled Mumbai with a lot of elan. Please put your hands together for the one and only John Abraham. Yeah, please put your hands together for the one and only Imran Hashmi. The man behind all the action that you see, somebody who I've always called a maverick, the captain of our ship, Sanjay Gupta. बहुत सारे सवाल आपके मन में होंगे इन लोगों के लिए. Let's invite on stage the visionary, the man behind not only this one, but so many blockbusters in the past and many more in the future. Put your hands together for Bhushan Kumar, ladies and gentlemen.
I think since we've called Rohit Roy, I'm here. Since you've called the senior most, I want to introduce to all of you the youngest entrant in this film, my dear brother, Rohit Roy.
मैंने भी एक छोटा सा रोल किया है फिल्म में, आपने शायद नोटिस किया होगा. चलिए, so before we start, I'd like Sanjay Gupta to say a few words and take it over from here. Would you like to sit down, guys?
Yeah, I'm just
Huh?
I think first of all, thank you everybody for coming. We're really looking forward to this. We worked hard on this film as we do on all films, but this makes it special because of what we all, I think the whole civilization has gone through in the last 1 year. I just want to thank my producer, Bhushan, and Sangeeta Bhabhi, as I lovingly call her. I mean, they were the first ones to back my vision, and of course, my wife was always there. By default. And it literally, the film kind of just came together with one phone call that I got from John, and I think he was in London. And that's it, and that's what started this whole journey. And it was, I think, a 10-minute meeting with Imi, where we kind of, in that sense, we're all very old school.
It only took a long time for him to convince me to be part of the film.
Yeah.
Really, really long.
Yeah, that's it.
So any questions from the media, we can address it individually to the actors or to Bhushan ji. Bhushan ji, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इससे पहले कि we throw it open? Sir, few words of your vision.
The vision is, hello. See, we are very excited कि film is coming in theatre, क्योंकि बहुत टाइम से हम लोगों ने थिएटर एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया है, और आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी एज द प्रोड्यूसर एंड प्रोडक्शन हाउस कि हमारी फिल्में अब थिएटर में आ रही हैं. सो वी नीड ऑल योर ब्लेसिंग्स एंड सपोर्ट ऑफ द मीडिया फॉर द फिल्म, बिकॉज दिस वॉज अ हार्ड स्टेप, बिकॉज वी वर कन्फ्यूज्ड कि अभी हम थिएटर में आए या नहीं आए. बट जॉन, इमी, एवरीबडी वांटेड आफ्टर सीइंग द फिल्म कि ये फिल्म थिएटर में आनी चाहिए. सो वी आर वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड टू कम बैक टू द थिएटर्स, एंड all the best to all of us कि ये फिल्म हमारी बहुत अच्छी पसंद आए लोग.
I think we're also very, very lucky to have a producer this gutsy, who took the call. I know what is behind this. I know the kind of risk he has taken, and we are all praying that definitely for the film, but more for him, it should pay off.
Inshallah, बिल्कुल होगा. Questions from the press. John, Amy, why don't you guys sit down? It'll be easier, no? Yeah?
John
Okay.
and Imran, आपके लेफ्ट में जैसा कि भूषण जी ने बताया कि एंड अब हम देख भी रहे हैं कि पिछले 1 सालों से तकरीबन सिनेमाघरों में शोर मचना बंद हो गया था, तो अब ये बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है आप लोगों के ऊपर। और पैंडेमिक के बाद अब फर्स्ट ये बड़े पैमाने पर ये फिल्म रिलीज होगी। सो इमरान जी,
शोर तो मचेगा ना।
जी बिल्कुल।
आपने देखा नहीं गाना?
हाँ जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
तो हम बहुत ही ऑप्टिमिस्टिक हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग हियर टुडे। यू नो, दिस इज़ अ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल डे। यहाँ पे इस तरह एक थिएटर में इतने टाइम, यू नो, एक तरह से कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाएगा इंडस्ट्री में। तो आप लोगों की मदद चाहिए इसमें, एंड मैं चाहता हूँ आप लोग टिकट खरीद के फिल्म देखें, बिकॉज इट्स आई थिंक इट्स अ वाटरशेड इवेंट यार। पैंडेमिक के बाद एक फिल्म आ रही है, टिकट जाके खरीदो, जाओ फिल्म देखो। यू मिस दिस फॉर एन एंटायर ईयर। और आई थिंक इट्स एवरीवन्स ब्लड स्वेट एंड टीयर्स, और जो पूरा everyone has worked so hard and it's going to bear fruit in the 19th of March. So yeah.
जॉन, सिनेमाघरों में शोर मचे इसकी जिम्मेदारी है आपके ऊपर। सो आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू।
मेरे ऊपर I think yeah, absolutely, like what Imran said, first of all, congratulations and thank you to Bhushan Kumar for really taking the step. We know what a big risk it is, लेकिन we are also very optimistic कि people will come. जैसे आपने टेस्ट मैच भी देखा, लोग आए थे वहाँ पे like this, और जैसे संजय ने भी कहा, इमरान ने भी कहा, this is a big screen experience. Every film can't release on OTT. Okay, platforms के लिए मेरा बहुत रिस्पेक्ट है, I respect them a lot, but there are certain films जो एक लार्ज स्क्रीन पे आप देख सकते हो, and I think एक संजय गुप्ता फिल्म, संजय गुप्ता films are films that you have to watch on big screen. तो thankfully we are coming in the theater.
हाय, उमेश शुक्ला, न्यूज़ 24 से। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, मुंबई सागा की पूरी टीम को कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन। काफ़ी धमाकेदार ट्रेलर आया है और 1 साल बाद हम भी थिएटर में आप लोग से फिर मुलाकात कर रहे हैं। संजय सर, आपसे सवाल है, जैसा कि आपने पहले ही जिक्र किया कि ये बहुत बड़ा रिस्क है, तो किस तरह के मतलब चैलेंजेस को फेस करने के लिए क्या कुछ आपकी प्रिपरेशन है? दूसरी तरफ कहीं ना कहीं और पोस्टपोन किया जा सकता था फिल्म को, क्योंकि काफ़ी बड़ी बड़ी और भी फिल्में हैं जो अब तक रिलीज़ होने की उनकी कहा जाए रिलीज़ डेट अनाउंस नहीं हुई, जो कि काफ़ी पहले हो सकती थी। तो आपने कई बार ये ख्याल आया जहन में कि और पोस्टपोन किया जा सकता है फिल्म को रिलीज से?
नहीं, एक्चुअली देखिए, किसी को तो शुरुआत करनी होगी। somebody has to take the first step, and since my producer was willing to do it, and he said nahi, we are confident of the film, and I think we are more confident of our audience, which hasn't really had a release. I mean, they haven't had a release in over a year, and we're all saying it's a big screen experience, and we have spoken to all the major distributors, exhibitors, taken their opinions, और उन्होंने भी आगे पूरी तैयारियां की हुई है, प्रोटोकॉल्स फॉलो किए हुए हैं, जैसे अब यहाँ भी देख रहे हैं। सो वो कॉन्फिडेंस तो है, एंड nowhere have we heard that any theater is a hotbed, so that is not the case. People are coming into malls, into stadiums, so why not theaters?
Even South.
And the South has started. The theaters over there are full. People are coming. They're maintaining protocol, and we have to come back to normalcy.
Exactly. जॉन हियर, जॉन, जैसा कि आप जब आते हैं स्क्रीन पे एक दहाड़ होती है, कहा जाए अभी हम जब ट्रेलर देख रहे थे हमें मन्या सुरवे की याद आ रही थी, कहीं ना कहीं बहुत सिमिलर हमें नज़र आ रहा था कि कहीं ना कहीं वही टीका, वही दहाड़। आप पर्सनली कितना डिफरेंस देखते हैं दोनों कैरेक्टर्स में?
नहीं, इसमें कॉन्फ्लिक्ट भी है। इमरान का जो कैरेक्टर है उसके साथ बहुत बड़ा कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है। आई थिंक दैट्स द फिल्म, लेकिन एक गैंगस्टर फिल्म है और जो रियल लाइफ में हुआ था वही हम लोग डिपिक्ट कर रहे हैं।
Express.
Hello, can I? Please go ahead.
Yeah. My question is to all the filmmakers on this stage today. After the whole COVID situation, and now that films have started coming in the theaters, is there going to be a change in the way films were promoted? Films, the whole the way there was competition and clash and all. Even your film is clashing with another film. Do you think there will be more understanding between filmmakers, and there will be some kind of mutual pushing each other to bring their film out in a better way?
May I answer this, please? I'd like to answer this, please, yes. First of all, for almost about a year, watching films at home on OTT, watching various other content from across the world on OTT, has had its advantages and also has given this unanimous feeling, we want to get out there and we want to have the real experience of watching a film. So really hats off to Bhushan Kumar, Sanjay Gupta, John Abraham, Imran Hashmi, all of them who have a larger stake in releasing this film in March at a 50% capacity. The producers of the film, two ladies, and everyone. So these, very gutsy, courageous filmmakers, entertainers have taken this step to release the film and show everyone, first of all, that we care for the audiences, like accepting a 50% capacity for a financier, for a producer, for a hero, for everybody, is a very, very, very big step because the numbers are going to be counted. But we want to make sure that people are healthy, people are enjoying the film, number one. And with OTT, we all have respect for OTT. OTT is here to stay. It's going to be an integral part of our life. But when you release a film, there's no festivity. There's no celebration. There's no noise. There's no getting together of people. There is nothing like this that you get called and you say, "Arey yaar, maine teri picture dekhi. Arey, what fantastic. Kya trailer hai, kya maza hai." That festivity was missing. Publicity was missing. The excitement was missing. So therefore, all that will come back. And the competition amongst producers, there's no competition at the moment. They are all wanting to get to the theater somehow or the other. People will make way for others. People will celebrate the success of other producers. Like I would say, Bhushan Kumar, Sanjay Gupta, John Abraham, Imran Hashmi, these people have larger stake. They will literally be called the pioneers of bringing cinema back to the screen. Thank you very much.
Thanks.